Gennaro, Postiglione, Politecnico of Milan.
I will work with this. I hope you won't mind if I'm stay standing. I don't like to be seated and talk. Well, my name is Gennaro Postiglione, and I'm going to present Politecnico di Milano. That is, as you know, also the coordinator partner of the MeLa project. Politecnico is ranked as one of the most outstanding European universities, and actually in engineering, architecture, and industrial design. It is spread out over all the Lombard region, and it has 6 engineers schools, 2 of architecture and 1 of industrial design. In the Politecnico, we have among the 16 departments, we have 2 departments, the DPR, Department of Architectural Design, and INDACO, the Department of Industrial Design, Communication, Fashion, and Communication, that are also involved in the MeLa. The 2 departments, they have a long-lasting cooperation, especially with the 2 units, research units, interiors and museography on the DPR, and design for cultural heritage at INDACO. We have been also cooperating in education. We share a PhD in museography and interior design. It is a PhD course dating back 1990, and I would like to take the opportunity to, in a way, acknowledge the PhD course where most of the people working in MeLa has been growing up. Research units at Polyme DPR, they deals with 3 main domains. That is museums and exhibition design, exhibiting material culture, and diffuse museum. The research team works on contemporary theories, methods, and design of museums, museography and exhibition design, between tradition and innovation. Objects of interest are new architectonical typologies, new spaces and new forms of exhibiting inside and outside museums' premises. We think the contemporary museums culture is permeating the society and deeply concerns the way architects operate with the design in cities and territories and in their landscapes as a places of collective memories. We will now surf over those 3 domains and INDACO research areas, showing some design challenges and some theoretical products. This is about museums and exhibition design. Next, this is about exhibiting material culture that works with labor museums, science and technologies museums, and university museums. The third area is about diffused museums, rural heritage enhancing, museography of 20th century conflicts, archaeology, and eco-museums. The department of from INDACO, at the DPI, at Politecnico INDACO, has a more complex structure. Its investigations area multimedia, languages, and technologies for cultural, tangible, and intangible heritage, territorial valorization and fruition, and communication, interiors and service design for cultural heritage. And now we jump at the Polyme staff involved in the project. As you can see, we are quite a large group. We have been involved in editing the proposal a year ago. And as you can see, there are 3 main figures belonging to DPR. That is the coordinator, the project coordinator, Luca Basso Peresut, the technical manager, that is me, Gennaro Postiglione, and Claudia Raimondi, the financial manager who could not be here today, solving problems at Polyme. But there are so many others involved, and there are junior and senior researchers. As for the others, PhD candidates will be involved as also researcher that will be enrolled for specific tasks. Polyme for MeLa, as I was already announcing, is taking care of coordinating the project. But we are also leading some work packages as all the other partners. The main work packages led by Polyme are the work package 7, that is envisioning museums and libraries for the post-national society, and work package 8, experimental design application, and we will do this together with the INDACO department. And finally, we are working on WP9, that is dissemination and exploitation. One of the 7 and the 9 are the most long-lasting work packages from the early beginning, we could say from now, to the ending of projects, months 48. Moreover, with our partner CNR and Marco Sacco, we are taking care of the management, and so the relationship with the European Commission and the project officer and the legal officer. Besides those main work packages, we are also involved in other work packages, and especially INDACO is involved in the work package 3 that we have been listening to some speech before, Transnational Museums and Libraries Network, led by Glasgow University, and work package 5, ICT Rule in Museums, Libraries and Exhibition, led by SEED. And besides, as all of us, we will contributing to the collective meetings like international conferences, think tanks, and other events, workshops. I would take the chance to go a bit deeper and illustrating a little bit more about work packages structure and we are leading and what we expect to do for coming part. So for the work package 7, envisioning museums, we are, this is one of the, as I said, long-lasting, but it's also the one of supporting the whole MeLa projects. It is strictly related to all the others, and actually it's a sort of incubator of data collected, and where the main, where we're supposed to have, and we hope to have, the main discussion about results pursued by the different work packages and different steps. The work package 7 set up a certain amount of research meetings and workshops, so, and through collective seminars involving work package leaders. So to have, in a way, monitoring the research on one hand, but also taking the directions about taking the in-between or the in-progress results as also inspiration to find new direction or define better direction where to go. It will deal with the exploitation of new missions and rules of museums and library, and it is structured in 3 research tasks. So it's a startup, critical results elaboration, and editing the MeLa research closing report. The forthcoming steps, I mean, what we are going to do in a, let's say in a semester or in a year from now, is mapping research and design proposal within MeLa domain of study. We will fostering the participation to international conferences and seminars to widen discussion and spread out MeLa contents outside the consortium. But as a crucial research incubator, we really wish and plan and will try to deliver a proposal for setting up an international PhD in museum studies and museography within the European program Erasmus Mundus, where it's supposed to be delivered in a year from now as a challenging task.